Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss the importance of laws that empower the Filipino woman. These laws is aimed to provide equal opportunities, improve working conditions, and support women's roles in nation building. Let's take a closer look at each of these laws and understand their significance in promoting gender equality. So, in recent years, mas naging active ang mga government sa pag-focus sa mga issue ng kababaihan or sa kaso ng mga discrimination sa trabaho, domestic violence, sexual harassment, and human trafficking. So, the following are the laws that formed by the Philippine government to advance the rights of women. Philippine Constitution, Article 13, Women, Section 14. The state shall protect all working women by providing safe and helpful working conditions, taking into account their maternal function and such facilities and opportunities that will enhance their welfare and enable them to realize their full potential in the service of the nation. So it means that the government should be responsible for ensuring the protection and well-being of working women. So kaya naman, ayon sa article na to, kailangan magkaroon ng safe at maayos na environment sa trabaho ang mga kababaihan kung saan hindi sila mapapahamak. So, Republic Act 6725 of 1989, an act to strengthen the prohibition of discrimination against women concerning terms and conditions of employment. So, pinoprotektahan nito ang mga kababaihan laban sa anumang uri ng discrimination sa trabaho, tulad ng pagkakaroon ng hindi pantay-pantay na conditions or benepisyo kumpara sa mga kalalakihan. So, ang batas na ito ay nagpapakita ng layunin na tiyakin ang kababaihan ay magkakaroon ng pantay-pantay na treatment sa kalalakihan. Republic Act 6949 of 1990, an act to declare March 8 as a special working holiday and to be known as National Women's Day. So, on March 8 ay nag-declare ng special working holiday also known as National Women's Day. The purpose of this law is to recognize and celebrate the contributions and rights of women in society. So, dito, pinapaalala sa atin ang kakayahan ng mga kababaihan. So, Republic Act 6955 of 1990, an act to declare the unlawful way of paying Filipino women to foreign national for marriage on a mail order basis and other similar practices, including advertisement and publication. So this law aims to protect Filipino women from being abused in marriage arrangement with foreign national through mail order bride. So ang mail order bride ay yung mga online platforms or agencies na ginagamit ng mga foreign men para maghanap ng Filipino women para magpakasal, na madalas nagiging dahilan ng pag-abuso. Pinagbabawal ng batas na ito ang ganitong mga practices para magprotektahan ng mga Filipino women. Republic Act 6972 of 1990, an act to establish a barangay-based daycare center to free women for other activities like taking a job or going back to school. Layunin ng batas na ito na magpatupad ng daycare center para sa mga bata sa bawat barangay upang makapagtrabaho or makabalik sa pag-aaral ang mga kababaihan. Republic Act 7192 of 1992, an act to uphold women's integration as equal partners of men in development and nation building. So dito sa batas na to, when it comes to environment or society, hindi kakayahang magtaguyod ang ating bansa, nagkakaroon din ng karapatan or pagkakataon ang mga kababaihan na makatulong sa pag-unlad ng ating ekonomiya. Republic Act 7322 of 1992, an act to increase the maternity benefits in favor of women workers in the private sectors. So, ito ay isang batas na bibigay ng malaking benepisyo sa mga kababaihang nanganak at nagtatrabaho sa kumpanya upang masiguro na may sapat na panggastos habang sila ay